Before starting today's topic, let's have a quick look at what UPSC is aiming for while framing the questions now. As you can see in these 2023 questions from the UPSC Civil Services Prelims exam, UPSC is including new, smaller sites, along with well-known geographical sites and features to frame questions. So, we have to follow the same pattern while preparing this crucial area. In today's topic, we have included newly declared yet important sites in and along major geographical features of India. In the past year, the following places in India have received the Biodiversity Heritage Site tag: Haldir Char Island, Tungkyong Lake, Gandhamardan Hill, Gupteswar Forest. The first site is Gupteswar Forest in Odisha. It was declared as a Biodiversity Heritage Site in February 2024. It is a 350-hectare forest site in the southernmost region of Odisha's Koraput district. The fact that makes it important is that it is a part of the Eastern Ghats and is a great assemblage of significant species of flora and fauna. The Kangar Ghati National Park of Chhattisgarh lies southwest of this site, and the Indravati River flows to the north of it. This sacred place always attracts the attention of naturalists, environmentalists, researchers, and tourists for its rich biodiversity and the gigantic Shiva Linga, which has rich mythological significance and mesmerizing beauty in the surrounding domain. The 350 hectares of demarcated area of Gupteswar Forest intersect with Don Drakhol range forests and comprise at least 608 faunal species and 615 floral species. The next site is Gandhamardan Hill. This site gained Biodiversity Heritage status in March 2023. The famous traveler Hai Wen-sang described this hill shrine as a Buddhist heritage site, Parimalagiri. The site has socio-economic, ecological and biological significance and a long history of human association. Gandhamardan Hill is located in the Bolangir and Bargah districts in the state of Odisha and has an area of 18,963 hectares. It is a treasure trove of medicinal plants, comprising 1055 floral species. The hills are also rich in faunal diversity, with 500 species, various of which are endemic to this hill. Two historical monuments, Nrsinghanath and Harishankar temples, are located on the northern and southern slopes, respectively, in the foothills and have immense cultural significance. These are two major pilgrimage sites in Odisha. Moving on to the next site, Tungkyong Lake in Sikkim was declared as the only biodiversity heritage site in the state of Sikkim in May 2023. Situated in North Sikkim, the site is very small, having an area of only 0.06 hectares. Tungkyong Lake is believed to be one of the oldest natural lakes directly related to the He-Young-Mingmu clan of the Lepcha community in the Dzongu Valley of Sikkim. The Dzongu Valley is a specially protected area for Aboriginal, indigenous primitive tribes considered to be the original inhabitants of Sikkim called Lepchas and has a very unique cultural and historical significance. The Lepchas, as in other communities, have their own share of clans or castes and are nature worshippers and custodians since time immemorial. The Lepchas sanctify this sacred lake yearly through Emun Pudim and through lamas as well. The area harbors a considerable number of plant species. Some of the mammals found in the area are Asian black bears, flying squirrels, barking deer, pangolins, etc. It also harbors numerous bird species like black bulbuls, black drongos, blue whistling thrushes, etc. The last site on today's list is Haldir Char Island in West Bengal. The site was declared as a Biodiversity Heritage Site by the state of West Bengal in May 2023. It is situated in the Purba Medinipur district of West Bengal and has an area of 4.7 hectares. It is a small island in the Haldi River, which is a tributary of the Ganga River. The land is a mangrove swamp with tidal influence and sustains littoral fauna. The peripheral part, the land-water interface, is populated with various mangrove species that are very effective in controlling the erosion of this island. The charland inside is populated with mangroves and remarkable avifauna.